especially on the 50th anniversary. You can really feel the energy in the space.
We come every year to the One of a Kind show. I've been coming with my mom when these kids were in strollers.
Thought, hey, it's the 50th anniversary, so why not bring my daughter here?
And now passing it on to my daughter, just trying to create memories, and especially around the holiday season.
It's nice to be able to support these local businesses as opposed to big box stores where you're just a number.
Seeing all the artisanal vendors year over year and kind of growing with them.
And it's kind of unique when we do come back, they recognize us as well. So it's kind of a two-way building on both sides, as a vendor and as a customer coming to the show.
It's just something that I can see years to come. We're going to be coming still as a family.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we love it here.
Are we gonna keep coming?
Yeah.
Yeah.